No, you can. I'll look at the next one. That's original. Hmm? There you go. Oh. Should be right. Alright, where are you guys going?
Please. Section 2.
Alrighty. Of course, this isn't gonna work.
Running live. Yeah, we are live at Jones Beach. For Deep Purple. 50 years, huh? 50 years.
Second floor coming up.
There you go. Well, unfortunately, these were ruined. They used to have C.J. Anderson installed by Hudson. Now they're this.
Third floor going down.
Get a view from up here. Oh, a nice picture of the sunset from up here. That's nice. I'll get my thumbnail shot up here. Yeah, I rode these when they were original. They used to have C.J. Anderson with a super obnoxious buzz. Unfortunately, I feel like I don't know who modernized these, but definitely some generic company. You can see down the shaft. Here's your cab. See where we go. Need my 4X fixtures. Oh my god, these things really bounce. Looks like it's got like some kind of two-way communication thing. It's got a little camera.
First floor.
Oh. You're welcome. Are you guys going 2? Or 3?
I'm going to 2.
2?
2.
I think 3 is closed. I'm not sure.
I'm back in. We're going to level 2.
I think they closed everything
2,
up
please.
top.
Yeah.
Oh, you have to walk.
Thank you.
No, there's no more open up top.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What section are you in?
2 or 3. Don't tell them it's a secret. Yeah.
Yeah, they closed it now because it's not sold out, so they upgraded everything.
Oh, did everybody's down?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a good thing.
Yeah.
The lady with the kisses shirt.
You're welcome.
That was cool.
Right?
Bringer of good news.
It's the little things in life.
Little
Yeah.
things in life.
There you go.
Second floor going up.
I just realized I'm going to surprise.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I do too, don't I? Yes, I do.
Oh, perfect. Oh, we're going down. Well, here's the other one. This one has a much more obnoxious fan. I'll try to get a ride on this. I don't think I can. There's a lot of security. I don't want to get in trouble or anything. That's not worth my time. Yeah, they were ruined. That's it.